Yeah, 360 in the contract, never that. I just take the contact, I bring it back. I'm running on the fast break, behind the back. Yeah, this that penny with the shack.
Hey guys, it's your boy BT Rising. Yes, I'm back with part 2 of Dunn's Fall River experience. So I want you to check it out. Have fun. If you're new to the channel, thank you so much for supporting. Let's get it right into the video as soon as possible. But before we get in the video, hit that red subscribe button and hit that notification bell and give me a like. And thank you so much. I love you guys. Thank you for the support. Let's get in the video as soon as possible. Yeah.
Down the stairs. Down the stairs. You for sure? You gonna climb it now? You gonna hold her, boy? I climb it, boy. Not me. Not me, boy. You? That looks dangerous, though. Not me, boy. That looks dangerous, though. Not me, boy. Not me, boy. I mean a little woman today, not me. I ain't getting into it. I ain't getting into it, not me. The boss of D and them coming down the hill right now. We can't down the hill right now. They can't down the hill. So yeah, this is where it's right now. It's happening. It's happening. It is happening. It's happening. It's happening, ladies and gentlemen. Enjoy. Okay. Yeah, this is art pieces that you see. Everything. Yeah. Yeah, so I enjoy my mission trip to Jamaica right now. And I'm having a good time. But I just because I always want to go down Fall River, right? Because you have heard these things, hear about these rivers. What's up? Beer Jen? Banjan tree? Banjan tree, yeah. So, yeah, this is what's going on, guys. It's happening right now. I'm so excited, like you have no idea. We're getting falls. Yo. Alright, you're right. They're falling on hard here. Boom. Boom. Brah. Alright, you're going into falls right now, guys. So we still going down to the river, so I don't know what's gonna happen because I did my first time going to the Fall River in Jamaica, guys. Yeah. Woo. Look at that, look at that. Walk. We still going down. We are still walking, guys. Like seriously, I've never been here in my life. I have never been here in my life, guys. Like, yo, like, yeah, man. Yeah, we still walking together. We still walking. Oh, yes, man. All right, we ain't getting on there yet, but we getting there. We getting there. I got room for this one. All right, we coming down. We going down. We're still going. Okay. There's a beach here too. So you get to, a lot of people are here. You know. And we having a good time. We got a beach here. Yeah, it seems like we have a beach here at Dunn's River Falls. So you're gonna see. So there's a beach. So we got it all. So
And Jesus is still the King of all kings. Hallelujah!
Yeah, so yeah, that is Deacon Fabian. He's a missionary and he loves people. So I can let you. We can go and have some fun as soon as possible. But yeah, man, I'm loving it here. Look around, look. I'm loving it. I'm loving it. I'm loving it. So you know. So we having a good time here. Yeah, there's a lot of people here in Jamaica. This is where everybody is right now, you know. So yeah. So I gotta pause this video. So give me a minute. Yeah. Yep, adventure. Yeah. Alright, we got Dunn's River though. Look, we got some fun though. Huh? It's extremely cool. It's extremely cool. The water is extremely cool. Everything. Yeah. Everything. Woo. Everything. Everything. All right. Yo. 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 Everything. Yo. 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 That's it. That one is extremely cool. It's extremely cool. Oh my god. Let me work. Can I ask a question? Is it cool like this all the time? Yeah, no? You don't know? Okay, you enjoy yourself? Okay. Alright guys, you get ready to climb up the rocks right now, so we're climbing up. So let's go. Alright. Alright, let me do this. Alright, that was a bad one there. Okay. I climbed out the waterfall. Again. Oh god. Alright, I don't. Yeah, let's stay here. Yo. Alright. Hey! Not past the beat yet. Woo! Alright, let me stand over here. Yeah, boys! Alright, we still going. Alright, look at it. You ready? Let's take you up. Yeah. Let's go. Yo. Go, baby. Take it careful. Yo, be careful, be careful. Yo, be careful, be careful.
Watch it, I got you.
I got you. There you go. No, wait, hold on. No, no, no. I got you. I got you. Get out of here. I got you, I got you. I'm still climbing up. Yeah. Yeah, yeah. We get it, do, guys. We doing this. We doing this. We doing this. We doing this.
Yeah.
All right.
Right,
You serious? Oh Lord Jesus. I'm sorry to get that. I'm sorry to get that. Come, look at that. Oh gosh! Murder! Alright. This definitely YouTube definitely gonna see this. Don, listen, YouTube gonna see this for sure.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, Don River here, man. Mission go, Kirby. Up and moving. Mission go. It's all about mission go.
Alright. I wanna go in this area here. Come with me. Come with me. Right here. I want everybody to see this. Yeah. That's football here, right? Alright. So, got a lot of people coming on here to have some fun. Alright, a lot of people out here that like to come and have some fun. So as you can see, a lot of people are here and they're enjoying themselves with their families. We're having a good time. Like seriously, I really enjoying this. This is like an adventure for me, you know. Me and my bro here having a good time right now. So we're doing this. So you know. Dion, give me a dab. Give me a dab. A dab. Yeah. A dab. A dab with it. Yeah, a dab. We dabbing. Look at my dab. Oh boy. This is a lot of climbing, but I'm having a good time. Yeah, I want you guys to see this, boys. I really want you guys to see this from top to bottom. Yeah, we're having a good time. Yeah. See me climb. I just climb it. I just climbed up all that. That is so dangerous. Okay? That is so dangerous. I just climbed up all that. Alright, we gotta climb up. So.
Yeah. You don't know that.
I got you. Oh, thank you. Come, Samson. Come. that waterfall, huh? Show me that waterfall.
Yeah. Hey, somebody call. You see that force?
Yeah. Alright. I'll pick on Ricardo. Boom, boom. What the? Yo, this serious, man. Yo. See that? Don't try climbing out there. We just climb up all of that. Okay. Come on, Keon, I got you. Go long. Alright, we got it. Okay, we got it now. Alright, under the tail. Yeah. Bend them up. Alright, we under the bridge. We under the bridge right now, so we just climb up all of that. We just climb up. Okay? So we under the bridge. What? Oh my God, no, please, don't do that. Don't do that. I said leave. Yo, so we under the bridge right now. So we got Keon. Oh! I thought I was a snake. I saw getting frightened, B. Yo. Alright. We getting out here now.
You?
Okay guys, I gotta stop the video here. A little accident happened. So sorry, but I had a good time. Thank you so much for watching. This is your boy BT Rising signing off. I love you guys and thank you for joining my channel. If you're new to my channel, thank you so much. I love you so much. Hit like and subscribe and thank you so much. I'll see you soon and thank you from Downfall Rivers in Jamaica. Bye bye. Say bye everybody. Say bye everybody. Say bye everybody.
It was a fun day.
AK, that's how my tongue sprays. Love is my clipping. Y'all gotta be my gun range. I'm like he's coming back.